Pratisha from DPS Pharmacy. Today I am going to teach you that how to get clear water from a sample of muddy water. Here we are having three ways to get clear water: by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So for performing this activity we need to have some items that are here as follows. We need some beakers, some sand, stirrer, tea strainer, cotton cloth, funnel, filter paper as well as stand. So now let's get started. First of all, I have already made a sample of muddy water. You can also take sample of muddy water from pond, river as well. If it is not available, you can make it by your own. Like you can have some water and add some water in it, add some sand in it, and then stir it very well. Now without disturbing it, let it settle down for about half an hour. So this is settled down about from half an hour. As you can see that the sand particles settle down at the bottom of this beaker, and I want to tell you that this process is called sedimentation. When we add some water to any substance and that substance settle down at the bottom, and this process is called sedimentation. Then what we are going to do is we will decant this water by tilting this beaker like this. You can see by tilting this water I get decant, and we will decant this water with the help of tea strainer. Again, when we pour this mixture by tea strainer, what will happen? See. From passing this mixture from tea strainer, this water is still muddy as there are so many impurities you can see. So this method of filtration is not effective. So we will follow another method. By using this cotton cloth, we will again pour this mixture from this cotton cloth So, by pouring this mixture from this cotton cloth, some impurities remain on this cotton cloth, but still the water is again muddy. So, this method is also not effective. So, we will use another method, that is the filtration method. For filtration method, we need a stand, a filter paper and funnel as well as beaker. First of all, what you will do is fit the funnel in the stand and then take a filter paper, fold it into half, then again into half. So you can see its shape is like a cone, and then open it from its one end and fit onto the funnel. Like this you can fit onto this funnel, and then again pour this mixture from the filter paper. You can observe that water is coming out from the funnel. If it is visible that you can see clear water is coming out from the funnel. I want to tell one more thing. When we decant this water from this mixture, after sedimentation, this process is decantation. Means removing of water is the process, that is decantation. And after that, we have followed the filtration method. So, filtration method is effective when it is followed by decantation. Otherwise, it will not give you good results. So, you can see that clear water is coming out from this funnel as filter paper absorbs all the impurities of sand as well as water in it. So this method is very effective. In conclusion, I want to say that when we add water to sand, sand settles down after some time in the beaker, and this process is called sedimentation. In the another step we performed, we get decantate by removing the water in the another beaker, and this process is called decantation. So in the last, filtration. When we pour some mixture into the funnel with the help of filter paper, we get a clear water. This water is free from impurities, and this process is called as filtration. Thank you and have a nice day.